Hello my dear friends, my name is Karina and in this video I'm going to show you how to use life balance device. First of all, we need to turn on the device by clicking on power button. When the device is turned on, I will start explaining you all these sections. The first section is anti-parasitic programs, are our preloaded programs, harmonizing preloaded programs and restoring energy program. These sections will appear here all the time. We can't eliminate this program or add more here. For this, we have personal menu and complexes. Here are 3 different preloaded complexes and programs. Let's imagine I want to use harmonizing programs. By clicking up and down, I can move in the menu. Let's choose harmonizing programs. OK. I want to use anti-stress program, for example. We roll down until we find anti-stress program and we click OK to start it. Here is the time of the program, its duration. Our device has a system of automating lock. So the device is locked, that's why when you put it into your pocket or if you wear it on yourself, you do not turn off the program or you do not click anywhere without you knowing this. Device is blocked. This is our support about how to unlock the device. We need to click these 2 buttons at the same time and we unlock the device. If we want to turn off the program, even though it's still on time, we need to click on menu and abort the program. Okay, also one important thing is when you turn on any program, you can see that the lights on top are blinking. This is an indicator of the program. It indicates that the program is running and the device works well. If by any reason you see that these 2 lights are not blinking, you need to send the device for a repairing. This is an indicator that the device works well. This function can be turned off. Maybe if you see that no lights are flashing, you go to setting, indication of the program. You can turn it off, but then if you want to check if the device works well, you just turn it on again to make this measurement. I don't like to see these lights blinking, so I just turn it off. Okay. The next section is personal menu. Which programs appear here? The programs which we download from Live Pro application. These programs appear in personal menu. We click OK. Since I use the device in Spanish and Russian, my programs are in Russian and in Spanish. I have 3 different complexes. All of them have many different programs inside. Therapy program complex has many different programs. In your case, it will be in English. I use my device in Russian. But it doesn't matter for this video instruction. Let's imagine you want to use all these programs. That's why you created this complex, right? You just click on menu and run the complex, because if you would click OK, you would only run one of them, right? So you click menu, run the complex. The complex time is 1 hour 48 minutes, and this program, which is right now turned on, 12 minutes. Also, if you see that you use already one of these programs or you don't want to use it by any reason, you click on skip the program and the device will return you to the next program. Next program is running. Let's do it again. Skip the program. Next program is running. Okay, we stop the complex. Other situation which we can face with personal menu is that we don't want to use all the programs, just some of them. So we click on OK button to take off a tick from the programs. Let's imagine you just want to use those 3 ones. You click on menu, run the complex. The complex time is less because we took off 4 different programs from the complex. Unlock the device. Abort. Other situation is that in one complex you only want to use one program. Let's imagine this one. You roll down until you find the program you need. You click on menu, run the program. Only one program is running in this complex right now. Okay, let's go further to complexes. Here, all the automatic complexes due to the results of your test, those you download through Web Wellness application, are downloaded to the complexes. When you click OK, you will see an actual complex. Only one complex at a time, automatical complex, can be downloaded to live balance device. Because basically we just need to use a complex from our last test. We do not need to use earlier ones. We click OK and we start an automatic complex. The lights are not flashing anymore because I turned them off. Okay, then let's go to settings. Here we can change the language. Let's imagine that you turn on a language you don't know and you do not know how to switch it to English. You need to know that this is always the last section of the device. You click OK, the first option, it says on the language we choose and also always in English so that you do not lose it. Language, and you move to English. The problem is resolved. Okay, let's go to settings and I will tell you more information. Right now we will talk about intensity. Intensity is a number which we can see here on top. What it means? It means the intensity which the device uses to work. Normally, the intensity means the length of the electromagnetic wave. If we want to use it close to our body, we use intensity which is lower. And if you want to use it for kids, we use the lower one. If we want to use it on a distance, we put it until 5. The length of the wave, the maximum one, is 1 meter, 1.5 meters. I will use 4. You can see the number has changed. Also, the intensity can be chosen through any program. For example, I want to use energy program, I click OK. And I want to choose an intensity, I click on the level button. Meanwhile, the program is running and I can choose intensity level right here. Okay. If I am in any part of the menu, personal menu settings like in this case, and I want to go back to the main menu, I just click power and I go back to the main menu. The next information is if we go to settings, we go to display. I will not explain you everything like brightness, this is not very interesting. I will show you the most interesting and useful information. All the other information you can just find by looking yourself. Inversion, what it means? Okay, we can have inversion and have the screen white and red, or we can turn it off and it will be black and blue. You can use yourself which screen you like more. Okay, the next step is time to frequency. Time to frequency, what it means? Every program we choose has many different frequencies, many different electromagnetic frequencies. Some of them may have 3, 5, 7, 10 different frequencies. And this one means how long for one of these frequency runs until another one turns on. Let's imagine you have 5 frequencies, one of them runs for 4 minutes, another one, and they repeat. Or you put it to 2 minutes, one of them 2 minutes, another one 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So we can choose the time to frequency. Why we need it for? Because for very young ones, for little ones, it should be like 2 or 3. For adults, 5. For elderly people, we can move it up until 10 because they react on the therapy slower. Very young people, they react faster. For adults, it's normally 5. We react normal. Okay, this is basically all the information I wanted to talk to you about. We remember that indication of the program is to turn on or turn off these lines. Language intensity, which is this number. Display inversion or no inversion, and time to frequency. These are the most important things. Okay, when you use a device, when the program is turned on, you need to put it backside to your body because the frequency runs from here. Thank you very much for your attention. We will turn off the device. We just need to click on power button and hold it until the device turns off. It was Karina. Thank you very much for your attention, and I see you in the next video instructions.